I went to get parts for my dent puller, and I saw this, and it was relatively inexpensive in the big scheme of things. So I said, I'll try it out and see how it works. And since I did that, I figured I might as well do a box opening, and then I'll do a review of what I think of how it actually works, and you can watch how it works, and it'll help me pull out that bit right there. So stick around. All right, let's take it out of the box. I'm hoping it's all in here because this was not glued closed when I picked it up, and the other box looked like it'd been through hell backwards and was all taped up. So I'm hoping that this was not a return, because it looks like it's nicely packaged. So let's see what we get in our Chicago Electric Welding Dent Repair Stud Welder Kit. It out, and it appears to all be here, thank God. So this is packaged. It does not appear to be damaged. It has its own 2-pound with giant china in it slide hammer, and it has the lovely gun. I'm assuming that's the trigger to weld with. And it's got a circuit breaker, press to reset, and it hopefully will work. And it comes with instructions, 200 studs, and a replacement welding tip. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we can do. So that's what's in the box. Now let's try that shit out. Since we are welding something onto here, we need to make sure we have a clean surface to weld to. So I'm going to take my wire brush, clean the paint off where I think I'm going to use a couple of these studs just to see if I can get them to work the way they're supposed to work. I'm just going to continue working on this spot right here, trying to pull it out. And then I'll have to pull some more in a couple other places, but I just want to see if this will work. And then tomorrow, the next time I can work on this, I'll be able to, continue pulling and prodding and getting it in the right shape. See how my Chinese stud welder will work. Hopefully it works fantastically, so that I'll be happy that I spent the $99. I got the right studs, I think. We'll see how this goes. Yeah. It says to push down solidly and then hit the button for a half a second to 1 second. Yeah, and I didn't hold it long enough, I don't think. There you go. We'll put some more on, and we'll go from there. says when you get done pulling it out, then you can cut them off and grind them down. So we'll see what we can do with the puller. So here we go. We're going to try the puller, see what happens. See if put it in there and gotta see. I broke it loose. Well, ain't that a pisser? So far I've broken 2 off and not pulled any dent, so I don't know if I just didn't get it clean enough, didn't get the weld on good enough, or what. Alright, there, I got it all the way in. That ain't working. At least I got 2 pulls on that one. Ooh, we got one that's sticking. And it came off. But we got 3 pulls out of it. I think I need to do better. That didn't seem to work at all. So there you have it. I think I got to prep the surface a little bit better than just using a wire brush that probably was dirty. And then they'll probably stick a lot better. But that's my first take on this. If I'll give an update on actually using these puppies after I try to clean it a little bit better. But when I cleaned it good over here, it stuck pretty damn well. So that's my take on the Harbor Freight dent puller, and I think it might be some user error. So thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. I went and got me a angle grinder and a sandpaper disc. I'm going to clean this back off and try it one more time just so I can see if I'm doing something wrong. Alright, so I cleaned it as well as I can with the old Rolock or sandpaper and a angle grinder. And now I'm gonna see if I can get them hot enough to stick on there so I can put a little force on them and pull them and see if it's probably operator error, not the machine, because it seems to be working the way it should work. try this one more time. And then I gotta go get ready for something else. I've reached the end of my allotment of time for today. Ooh, it's hanging on better this time. Well, I spoke too soon, but at least I got 2 good whacks out of it. The 2 whack, and it's coming, you know, slowly but surely. It's coming. Slowly but surely, it's coming. That time it's hanging on good. So that's telling me I had some operator error going on, so I'll give it a thumbs up. And again, if you like what you're seeing on the channel, please subscribe. It makes me feel better that people are actually watching, so I really appreciate it. There we go, came off. Man, that ripped a hole right through the metal. So that had a good weld on it. The backing metal was weaker, but as you can see, I'm getting it out. It's coming. This bend has gone down. I'm just gonna have to work on it for a while, I think, to get it to where it needs to be. That's the only thing I can figure. Well, that one came off in 2 whacks, but we're getting there. This one looks like it's pretty weak welded. But if you notice, it is coming out. So the dent's coming out there. I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.